Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps to your Fire Stick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get Downloader totally free of charge. To do so, you just go to search on your device. And now here in that search bar, we need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on Downloader. And that is the app that you gotta get to your Fire Stick device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still gotta set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader on your Fire Stick, we'll have to go to Settings on your device by clicking on that button with the gear icon. Then you need to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on your Fire TV Stick device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you are unable to locate the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do that fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. It means we are ready to click on the back button on your remote, and now the developer options will have appeared on your Fire TV Stick device. So we open them, go straight into Install Unknown Apps, open it. And now from here, all you gotta do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go straight to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we gotta open it. And here you'll find the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV Stick device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Switzerland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we're gonna go back straight to the list of apps on your device and then run the Downloader application on your Fire TV Stick. And now here, what you gotta do is pretty much just open that search bar and start entering the link, which is gonna be 237843. So once again, it's 237843. That is the code you gotta enter. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it doesn't take long, only a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on install and just wait for the app to finish installing on your Fire TV Stick device. And after the app wasn't loaded, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation file, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default, your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it and here's the app which we just downloaded. So enjoy the app and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe online. See you next time. Bye bye.